All right, Matt, here's where we're at today. The motor's cleaned up in the frame. So we haven't put the aluminum ID tag on it yet. Steering lock's in, Stevie's got that in. It's got your new Dyna ignition in it. Horns are cleaned up. Those are same as Moto Guzzi V7 Sport.
Yeah, those were all rusty. All this was all rusted. So I took that all off, painted, blasted it, painted it.
So I guess the question, are we going to pull these side covers off and repolish them? Or leave them as is?
I don't know. I think the two of them maybe.
Yeah, this one's got some scratches on it. So I guess we could strip that down and repolish it, but this is going to be tricky in here. So I don't know if we want to over restore this thing. ID tags back on it. Stevie's got the rear chain guard is just cleaned up.
The tab for the frame for the seat was wrong.
Yeah, so this tab, luckily we could bend it down. That thing was sticking up, and I don't know, I guess it came to us like that. So he's got the seat on it. I'm just kind of setting everything up.
There's a knob on the back. I just got a bolt in there for now.
Yeah, so that'll be a knob. It's got a little...
He's got the knob somewhere.
sprocket.
The foot pegs are getting painted right now.
So now what are you doing over here? Cleaning out all this?
The rubber mounts. One of them was broken for this. So this is...
try a little...
I'm gonna epoxy it back.
Rubber epoxy, because it's kind of a rubber mount thing, huh?
Yeah. And I'm making sure all the dash lights work.
And then clean
The
up.
charging system wasn't working when it came in, so I haven't. Someone's been into the stator though, so we'll see what.
And then this headlight bucket, I mean, it's got some rusty stuff on the side, so I guess you probably want us to strip that down and get that into the chrome shop, or we could try to clean it up.
The ignition switch was all cylinder lock and key. That was all rusty. I got a new boot on that.
Where's that at?
The key, where the key is, other side, left side, right under the front where you sit your ass down.
Oh yeah, so he's got this in. Okay, so you cleaned all that up for him.
Yeah.
And we had a boot.
We got a boot for it. There's the old boot. I don't know, maybe Matt has one somewhere. I doubt it. I couldn't find it.
All right, so there's where we're at. There's our update, buddy. Going along, getting it all fixed up. All right, thank you, Matt, and thank you guys for checking it out.
Oh, the seat pan, this
Oh,
one. You can't really see it, but this was all broken up here. It's not bolted in right now, but it was cracked and
Cracked
broken
up there.
so I took some hot staples and welded it back together.
get that
and then-
plastic together. Maybe they got a reproduction, I don't know, but
Whatever. Looks nice.
it'll work. All right, thanks a lot, guys.